Okay, welcome back. In this segment, we're going to talk about the MetalPro brake. The brake that I'm going to put in here will bend metal up to 1/4 inch. So I figured, well, I'll show you guys. I'll install it, how easy that it is to install, and then we'll bend a piece of metal. It's real simple. So it's got a little weight on it, but once you get it up here, it's real easy to install. So, okay. So what you do is you bring this arm to the full up position. There's only 2 bolts that hold this down. So I'll line up the one. Start that. Yep, 2 bolts. Easy. There she goes. Okay. Give a little snug. Okay. So there's 2 springs on here. So when this arm goes back up, this just brings it up to the ready position. So there's different brakes that you can get for this. Like I have, a short one. But the type angle that is on this brake is set up, I think, already set for 1/4 inch, and that's the maximum that you could do on here. So in other words, when you're doing a piece of metal and you're bending it, 1/4 inch, you probably want to go all the way down and seat it. But if you're doing thinner metal, you should watch it. So when you're coming down, you lightly stop when you think it's right with the angle, opposed to totally crushing it. So we're going to use that same 3/16 bar that I used in the last segment when we talked about the punches. So it's all ready to go. What I'm going to do is I'm going to bring it down on practice just to seat it, because this moves around a little bit when you lift it on and off the machine. So ready to go. So here's our 3/16 bar. Maybe what I'll do is that's our line that we want. Now when I put it in here, I use a square to make sure that I have it the right way. And then you start it. Now I want to get it on the center. And once it grabbed it, it's got it. Not bad. Not bad. I crushed it a little bit, but it's not bad. Now, if I wanted to, I could tweak this back a little bit, but I'm calling that's a win-win. So that's the MetalPro 1/4 inch brake. Nice machine. You can make your own brackets. Man, I made, here Ethan, swing it over here. I made these. That was flat, 3/16 flat bar. And what I did was I punched the holes using the MetalPro machine. And then what I used was the bandsaw. And I cut this out so they slide in there. Look at that. Even the holes up on top, I punched them. So you can make your own custom brackets. Okay, so the next tool we're going to go over is the heavy duty Copper Notcher. So remember to hit the like and subscribe button, and when we come back, I'll show you how we're going to set up that tool, and then we'll notch some metal.